Good evening, friend. I welcome you all in Mangesh Mathematical Trading. Today is 21st of December. Timing is 10 minutes past 2. Let us see. Today I am going to give you exhaustive strategy. 90% of my strategy I will be explaining today. 10% mathematical formula that I won't be sharing. Let me be very frank and candid. That's the result of my 12 years experiment I have put in those many years. So just to go through the strategy, it is a very exhaustive video. This is a mathematical strategy. So those who are not at all interested in mathematics, you may feel that I'm quite blunt, but there is no point in going ahead with the video. You can save your that much of time. Don't waste your time. Those who are really interested in learning something, which is meticulous, which is well planned, which is well demarcated, where everything is pre-planned, your targets, your stop loss, everything is on table, and then the same is executed. If you are really interested in learning it, then only go forward. You will definitely learn something really, which you haven't even thought, seen, heard before. Without wasting time, let's go on this. Now see the timing. Today, 9/11, December 21, 9/11. I had given the levels of since pre-open Nifty indicating open near 21,034. I have considered 21,050 as strike price and important level. We are more concerned with the important level. Similarly, in Bank Nifty, important level was 364.10. Both the messages were posted well below the market started. 9:14, 9/11. Now let us come to Bank Nifty first, 364.10. So now this is the chart of Bank Nifty 3. Now let's go to pre-open. I mean, the pre-open, that was near 47,104. You could see it over here also. See, 47,172. The nearest figure was 47,200. So we will consider 47,200 call and put. Let's go on chart straight away. 47,200 call, 47,200 put. Now what do I do? So this is the first candlestick of the day, 9:15. This is a 5-minute chart. I first draw the levels. Okay, 364.10. That was the IMP level. Let me show you once again. 364.10. Okay. Now the levels are plotted on call, plus on put. Now one has to see, one should be above the line price of call or put, and the second one should be below the line. So here you could see call price is also above this line and put is also above the line. So do not do anything. Here also call and put both are above and below the line. Okay. Now see here. Now this candle, 925 candle of 47,200 call closed below 364.10. And now put side 47,200 put candle remains above the line. Now we want something is below the IMP level, something is above the IMP level. Okay, now let me share something. This is a point wise. Now we will see vertical candle. See, this is above and below IMP. This is the sign for above. This is and sign for below IMP. So first we should see a 5-minute candle, either call or put, whichever something should close above the, the IMP level demarcated or shown by blue line, and something should close below. So this part we have seen. Now we will see what is vertical candle. Okay. So now let's go. Vertical candle is nothing else. Whenever something close below, something close above, then the red candle. Now the call side candle is red. It's high. You could see high. See over here, 404.40. plus square root of 404.40, which will be around 21 points because 20 square is 400. Let us take one more 21. So if the green candle closes above that, so 404 plus 21, 425, then bias has been created in favor of green candle. Now see, the green candle is 459. So it's many times much more than the red candle high plus square root of high. Immediately, I come to know at the end of this, you see, it is getting closed. I will buy. I will not wait for the candle to close. See, it's simple. 404.20. What you should do plus square root of 404.20. Okay, so the answer is 424. As the market comes to the close of 5 minutes, means 9:25 candle will complete at 9:30. Now you know in last minute, the price may not go slide from 450 level to 424 that fast. So it is understood at the end of fourth or a few seconds before that this candle is going to be a vertical candle. Vertical candle means red candle high plus square root of high. Above that, the green candle closes there. And both should be at two different sides of important line. So that moment I bought it. See, trading is very fast. Okay, trading is very fast. So you bought it somewhere near 458, 459. And then see what has happened. Let's go to the next point. So that is why I have given you the point. First candle, high, low, breakout and breakdown. See, it's very simple. What I tell you, option is like a weighing scale. The center line is the important line. You know, one is above, one is below. Okay. Weighing scale means the vendor puts the weight on one side and vegetable on the same side. Okay, there we see the balance. In this case, we see the imbalance. Now, what do I mean by imbalance? Now, see this. Immediately, the candle, next candle made a high of 533, close at 532. Now, if you are smart enough, you just see this close is not above the high of first candle. See, first candle high is 548 and this closes 532. While its contemporary, I mean, its pair, if you will see on call side, the first candle low was 297.90 and this candle closes 291. Here is imbalance. While purchasing the things, we see weight balance. Here we see imbalance. I mean, this had to close above the first high and see the beauty. The first candle on call side is having a bigger wick below that on put does have a bigger wick above. They are equal and opposite. So they should be equal and opposite. So if this closes below the first candle low, this has to close above the first candle low. If it doesn't, that means probable reversal is possible. We are in profit, we'll book profit. We are not concerned here at the juncture whether the reversal really takes place or not. No, forget it. We will book profit. So whatever so little profit you had, not little. So you bought at around 460 and you sold it at around 530, still 70 points profit. Around 16 to 17% profit in hardly 10 minutes. Suppose you couldn't take this entry, forget it, no issue. You should be an expert. You should be an experienced one to take this issue. Forget it. We have got something for everyone. Okay. So we have covered point number 2. First candle high low, breakout, breakdown. Breakdown was there in case of put. Breakout was not there comparing with first candle high for call. So we book profit instantly. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to the chart. See, we book profit in put. Now again, the price came down. Suppose you didn't take this trade, you're still waiting. Okay, no issue. So now let's go to the next point. The next point is call and put coming to IMP line. Call and put will come to IMP line. Okay, suppose. Now, suppose you took this position and had this candle closed above the high of first candle, you would have continued the trade. You would have continued the trade. But it didn't. That is why In case you took this trade, you will book profit. Okay. Now let us wait for the price to come to the IMP line. Now here one point to be noted, on same time frame, on same time frame is different from time, the candle should penetrate the center line. What do I mean by it? Now see, now this candle penetrated the center line, but this didn't. This is above. This candle penetrated the center line, but this didn't. This is above. This candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, everything penetrated above. And the importance is the high and low of the candle should be on both the sides of the center line. Now, if you will see, this candle has penetrated both the, I mean, it is on both side of the line. High is above, low is below, but this is not. And then straight away this candle came down. Now this candle has got high and low, low above the and below the center line, the IMP line, but this doesn't. See, this doesn't. See the low of this 371.80, which is way above 364. Once you see this, this candle is 10 AM 10:05 candle, which has closed on 10:05. So the closer, the sorry, 10:10. 10:05 to 10:10, this is 5-minute candle. Once you see this, that the price has crossed over, but we don't get on call side high and low on both sides of this. Then what you need to do, just change the time frame. From 5-minute, we will come change the time frame. Okay. From 5-minute, we will change the time frame. So now from 5-minute, I will go to next possible time frame is 10 minutes. And on put also, I will go from 5-minute to 10-minute. Okay. The time was 10:05 to 10:10. Now see just now this candle. Now both are, now just see this candle. This candle too does not fulfill the condition. Okay. The time is 10:05. This got closed at 10:10. 10:05 plus 10 minutes, 10:50. Sorry. 10:05 plus 10 minutes, 10:50. So what we will do, again change the time frame. You will see what this guy is doing. Just to be patient. Listen to me. Give some thought. And then you could see this time. Okay. This is a 10 candle. 15-minute candle starting at 10, closing at 10:50. Now you could see, now you see this, the high is 468, the low is 349. So this candle high and low are both sides of 364 and corresponding puts also high is above, low is below. So now what I will do, I will exchange the highs and lows, means whatever is the high 468.05 and 349. Okay, that is the high and low of call that I will plot on put. So 468.05 and I will give it black color. 468.05. That's done. And then 349.50 and then 349.50. Okay, so whatever was the high and low of call that I have plotted and put, and now whatever is the high and low of put, 426.60, that I will plot of call, 426.60. So here 426.60. And this one is 312.05. And now I will change over to 5-minute Mind you, this was a 10 candle, 10 AM candle and shall be closed at 10:15. Okay. Now let's come back to 5-minute chart. And then just see this candle closed at 10:15. So this is the end. This is the end of the candle. Okay, so this is it, 10:15. Now, what I will do, the price on call has already closed above. The price on call side has already closed above the upper line. Okay, now I will wait for green candle to close above this. So now 10:15 to 20:20 candle has closed above 421. Simple. Now I will look forward to put side one such candle which is not touching the body, red color candle that I have found. And then on the next candle, I will place the order to buy at 426. See, this is time to buy 426. And here my order is triggered. Here my order is triggered. No, what will be the stop loss? Stop loss will be bigger. In this case, stop loss means candle closing below the low line and this candle closing above the upper line. Never ever stop loss gets hit. Never. So now here we have completed the fourth time frame selection and exchange of high low. Now last thing is targets, and now we will go to targets and we will see the targets. So you will go on higher side. So target is as mentioned over there. The first target will be 26.11%, second will be 50, and third will be 73.89. We have seen the stop loss already. So now let's see and go and check whether the targets are attained. Naturally, we are option buyers, so we will see the upper target. My buying is at 426. See precise price. No indicator tells you at what price to buy. So 426.6 plus 26.11%, and my first target will be 537.98. Let me draw a line, 537.98. 537.98. Color will be pink. The dreams are pink always. So that is achieved. Next target will be 26.11 first target. Second target will be 50%, 639.9. 639.9. And last target will be 73.89. That is 741.81. 741. That's all. All the targets were hit. See, again, the beauty price exactly came down, took the support at 26.11 level, and again from 537 to 639, 102 points profit. It's still going up. On the downside, this low of the candle, 349.50 minus 26.11%, that will be 258. The first target, those who go short will be 258. And here all targets will not be 258.24 will not be attended because decay takes time. Today is the first day of Bank Nifty in first series, still five more days to go. Second will be minus 50%. That is 174.75, which is not yet attained, but I will draw the line 174.75. 174.75. You could see it coming to that level in few minutes. Okay. Now what you do, you just see this video, draw the targets line and just see whether the targets are met or not. I cannot continue it because still there is 1 hour to go, but you yourself can draw the levels I mean, all this level you could draw on your own terminal, trading terminal, and you could see whether the targets are achieved or not. It was an descriptive, exhaustive video. It took a lot of time than the regular one. I hope those who are interested might see it in detail. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.